What's up, lifelong learners? I'm going to show you how to use a boom pole that normally holds a boom arm. So what I meant to say, normally holds a mic. So I'm going to take this off. Normally that's how you do it, is clip the mic on there like that. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use it with this light. Okay, so you turn it on, and there's a tutorial for this light already. Clamp it down like that, and then look, you can light backgrounds and stuff like that. And you can adjust the angle to be down here if you want, okay? Spin it. Or you can loosen this and spin it to angle upward like that, okay? However you want to do it, you can do that. That's a quick tutorial of how to use this to clamp that down, okay? So yeah, I'm pretty sure that you can kind of figure this out right here. So there is this part that is going to allow you to adjust the angle upward and downward like that, okay? And then you can also, so I'll just tighten this, and then you can also loosen this part right here. Let me spin it, okay? That part right there, that knob, try not to over tighten too hard, okay? Just tighten enough. You can loosen it, and then you can spin and angle upward or downward like that to the ground, or you can slide it to make this shorter, and then you can do it like this, okay? So you can adjust by sliding, or you can spin when you loosen that part. So that is a quick tutorial of how you use the microphone boom arm to hold a light for when you're lighting a background or the ground or someone. I don't know, okay? So that's a quick tutorial. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rock, paper, peace. See you in the next video, if I make another one.